Go pet some more. They all want petting. Go pet some more of them. You gotta love all the animals. That's okay, we can wash them. Aw, say that's sweet. This is better than what I thought they were going to do. I thought they were going to freak out there for a minute.
I have to help Mason because Mason likes to grab, so I have to show him how to pet. So he's not just pulling the hair.
Look, Braden, there's another one laying down over there. Why don't you go pet that one?
You can do that too. That's even better.
Well, not the ones eating, baby. They're busy. Go pet the one laying down. Mason.
Hey, look at Mama. Hey, look at Mama.
Do you like the animals? Yeah? It's kind of hot. You want to take their jackets off?
Huh?
Here, let's